guys, it's Booya and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I pack my makeup whenever I travel. Now that it's summertime and most of us are traveling right now, I thought, why not I share how I pack my makeup whenever I travel. So here is my travel makeup pouch. Very organized siya. This is how I store it whenever I travel. So guys, I'm actually the type of person na even though I'm super into full pack makeup, whenever I travel, I keep it on low. Very low-key lang ako. Not really full glam yung kit ko. You have to understand that my travel makeup kit is made for people like me na gusto lang minimal glam, very soft glam, pero medyo plakado pa rin. If you're that type of girl, if you're that type of person, then this is the travel kit for you. In this video, we'll be solely concentrating on my makeup kit, on how I pack it, and my makeup brushes. Yung skincare, it's a whole different thing. Hindi siya kasama dito. So if you want a video on how I pack my skincare products and what skincare products I bring, then please do comment down below. Back to my travel makeup kit. This is what it looks like pag nakalatag siya. But when it's rolled up, it's very organized like that. So it's very small, very handy. If you pack it in your luggage bag, it's not really space consuming. So guys, if you're wondering where I got this organizer pouch, I got this from Landmark. This is for around 170 plus pesos. Not sure with the price, but around that price range. So right now, I'm actually gonna break down the items that I bring along with me whenever I travel. First off, we're gonna break down the brushes that I bring. This mesh pouch, it looks like a very common pencil case, but it's really, really nice for me whenever I travel. It's mesh and it doesn't trap moist in it. So the tools that I bring are my circular sponge. I really like circular sponges because I can fold it, and in that way, I can really get into those corners of my face. For the brushes, I bring at least one of each. So one powder brush, and this is what I use for my contour and my blush at the same time. One buffing brush when blending out foundation, the concealers. And this little baby brush, I like to use this for my highlight. This gets my highlight really, really on point. So I really, really trust this brush. This is actually a small version of a buffing brush. I use this brush to buff out my concealer, especially in tight and small areas like in the eye corners, the corners of your nose. I like using this because it can really get into those areas where this big brush cannot. A flat concealer brush, of course. I also bring angled brush for a very on fleek eyebrows. These remaining items are actually for the eyes. So I've got one blending brush. This is a big tapered brush, a flat brush, and very, very tiny brush. This is what I use whenever I tight line my eyes. These are the only brushes and tools that you need when you travel. Alright, so next up is this very handy makeup pouch. This is what it looks like when it's all rolled up, and it looks like a mini bag with its handle over here. It looks like a very handy mini bag. So when you roll it out, and it looks like that. Everything is super organized. It actually has this little hook right here. You can hang it everywhere. The basic guideline whenever choosing your makeup when packing is that it has to be based on 3 categories: face, eyes, and lips. And next guideline is that the makeup products that you bring are your go-to. So basically, your favorite makeup products. Do not experiment. I highly discourage that you bring the products that you want to experiment whenever you're traveling. Just bring the products that you really, really trust. In the first to the second pouch, they're all face products. The third pouch are all eye products. And lastly, for the fourth pouch, they're all lip products. So basically, everything that you'll be seeing here are my go-to makeup products. And fortunately, the makeup products that I have in here that are my go-to are pretty travel friendly because of their sizes. So it really fit perfectly in each of these transparent pouches. For the first set of face products, I have 3 concealer shades, I have 2 foundation shades, and 2 shades of liquid highlighters. So for the 3 concealer shades, I always have the lightest to the darkest. And for foundations, I carry at least 2 shades of foundations. Why is that? Because this one is my usual skin color, and if ever I get tan, then I always have a darker shade to rely on. I like to bring 2 shades of liquid highlighters with me because this one is more focused on the higher parts of my face where I really want the light to reflect and to bounce back. And the other one, though it's a highlighter, it's more of a bronzy one, so it gives more color to my skin and a more bronzy effect. So I really like combining these 2. For the second pouch, so one is a face powder, the other one is a contour kit and a blush. This contour kit is from Sleek, and I really like it because it's so small. So you already have the contour and your highlight, and their highlighter is so blinding, and I really like it. And then I have one pressed powder. Now for my eye products and tools, we have here one mascara. This is the mascara I really been loving lately because this mascara doesn't clump up in the wand. And of course, always bring your lash curler. I actually don't have anything pencil related here. The only thing that's pencil is this one, but it's retractable. I don't have any pencils with me, but I still keep this with me just in case. Just in case my friend needs it. I don't bring any false lashes whenever I travel. Again, for just in case purposes, just bring your trusted lash glue, and then of course this one to pluck out unnecessary things from, you know, the face and all that. And of course, always bring cosmetic scissors. These are the tools that you don't maybe need, but you just have to bring them just in case. And of course, bring one eyebrow shaver. And I always bring this eyebrow pencil with me because I really like the formula of this eyebrow product. And for eyeliners, I bring 2 sets of eyeliners. One is for that really gorgeous wing liner, and then the second one is for tight lining. By the way guys, I just want to quickly put this in. I don't bring eyeshadows whenever I travel. I only use my contour as an eyeshadow. I always use this as my eyeshadow, and if I want something poppin', I use my highlighter, or if I want some color on my lids, I use my blush. Finally, for lip products, I packed various kinds of lippies and formulas. So we have here tint, a bullet lipstick, we have a cream type, and then we have 2 liquid lipsticks with 2 different shades. So let's start off with this one. Of course, Colorette, my trusted tint. I bring tints for example, a casual day of travel, and I just want a very casual glam. And then this bullet lipstick is actually the newest line from Colorette. This is their Lush Lips. This is in the shade Cinnamon Kiss, and it's a pretty neutral. I always bring a neutral color or nude shade so that I'm pretty safe with all of my looks. This is a pretty safe shade, so bring at least one nude or neutral color whenever traveling. Next, I have this soft matte lip cream from NYX, and this one is more of a violet or a plum shade. So I just bring one crazy shade with me, and that crazy shade would be purple or on the plum side. And lastly, I always bring red lip colors because I am obsessed with very good red shades, and I really love my red lippies to be matte. Miranda is more of a muted red, more bloody red compared to Caroline's In Bloom. This is more of a fiery, very popping red. So I always bring these 2, so I have 2 shades of red to choose from. So those are the lippies that I bring with me. Always bring colors that are safe, and bring at least 2 to 3 bold colors just to switch up your look a bit. So basically guys, that is how I pack my makeup whenever I travel. If you find this video interesting, helpful, and my kit organized in any way, then please do like it. If you have any comments or suggestions, then please do comment them down below. And of course guys, thank you so much for watching, and just remember, no hate, just love.